Okay, number one. Here we go. How many ways are there to line up 8 people for a picture? So what we need to do is see that 8, that exclamation point is, is there, so you could write out 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, and then you just multiply all those and you get 40,320 ways that you can line up 8 people for a picture.
This is number 26 through 30. Depending on what the question is asking, whether it wants possibility of H and M or possibility of H given M, each situation we would have to go based on the column below. Like this and this would be how many people want would possibility of M given H, and depending on the columns, if this was missing, we would be able to figure out the total numbers based off of what the side numbers were, and all that equal up to 100. So these numbers were given. We had to find these 2 bottom numbers, and all we had to do was add them up, get to 100, and on the side margins too, we do the same exact. But for these equations, we would have to mix and match them if it's yes and no, or if it's yes, yes, or if it's no and no.
Oops. You have 12 songs in a playlist. Okay. On your phone, you set your phone to shuffle the songs on your playlist. Find the number of ways to listen to 4 songs from the playlist. Alright, here we go. Alright, this is the formula that we're using. That's it right there. So we just plug the numbers in, 12 and 4. 12 is how many songs there are, and 4 are the songs that we want in the playlist. Hopefully I said that right. Okay, so it's 12P4 because the order does matter. Correct? It's P, right? Because order does matter. Correct. Alright. Here we go. Alright. Then we put 12 over 12 minus 4. Then we solve that. Then it's 12 over 8. And don't forget the exclamation point. That. Yeah, gosh, whatever. Yeah, anyways, that has you write out all the numbers from 12 descending. It's a descending order, and I did this because, well, Brian was using my phone for his video, so I had to do it this way. Alright, then that gets you 12. That you have to cross out like terms. Then that gets you 12 times 11 times 9. And then let's see. I gotta do this on the fly. What is it, Brian? Brian, what is it?
What?
12 times 11 times 10 times 9.
Okay, 12 times 11
times 10 times 9. I totally forgot to do that.
And that is 11,880.
Let's see it. That's your answer. 11. Boom. That's how many we could ways we can shuffle 4 songs in a playlist. Oops.
Why do you he opened the door himself like an idiot?
I don't know, man. That's ridiculous.
What do you think was gonna happen?
I have no idea. Alright, I almost forgot. This is permutations. And permutations, order does matter. Yes, it does. And combinations, those, order does not matter at all. Just to let you know. Just in case I totally forgot to say it or didn't say it at all. Yup. You want to look at these people jet ski? Oh gosh, what? Yep, that's his signature.
There's 2.
Look at these people jet skiing. Look at that. Skills, son. Skills!
If it tastes bad, I'm not gonna drink it.
Hey, Brian, why are we leaving?
We got kicked out because Josh took too long.
Well, I skated all the way over here from Gardena. Anyways, we gotta find another place to do this.
Where at? Let's do it.
Yup, we got kicked out, so we came to your place. Or your room. 210. Look how green these things are. And look how blue everything is. I mean, the sky. Mise en scene. It's not even mise en scene, whatever. Let's go, Brian. Alright, here we go. So, combinations. That's the combination formula right there. Question is, how many ways can you choose 3 cards from 10 cards? So this is it. That's 10C3, because 10 is the total amount of cards, and 3 is what we're trying to find, or like how many cards can we range in 3. Anyways, so we just plug numbers in. 10 is the total, 3, of course, and then it's 10 minus 3. And then we just simplify, then we divide here, and then we get our answer 120 ways. So it's 120 ways to choose 3 cards from 10. Alright, 17. 2 cards are drawn at a random from a deck without replacement. Find the probability that 2 cards are a unicorn card. And shut up. Okay, find the probability that 2 cards
are unicorn cards, and we replace the unicorn cards with aces. So
and ace card. Okay, there we go.
And there's 4 aces, and there's 12 face cards. So we put the 12 in front of it.
Face cards, you mean unicorn cards?
Unicorn cards, face cards, and then you divide it by 52 itself, and then you multiply by 4, which is the 4 unicorn cards that are replaced for aces, and 51 because you had taken out 1 without replacement. Then you get yourself 1.8%.
You, sir, are a genius. A card from a deck of 52 cards. Oh wait, never mind. A card is drawn from a deck of 52 cards and replaced. And then a second card is drawn. What is the probability that the first card is a queen and the second is a diamond? So it's 4 over 52 times 13 over 52, and it's 13 over 52 because you chose 1 card and you put it back in. So it's 12 but plus 1. So it's 13 over 52, and then you simplify that, and that gets you 52 over 52 times 52. Simplify that, that's 1 over 52, and then you divide that, and that's 0.19. Then move the decimal over, and that's 1.9%. Boom. Answer.
I'm in school. Where Dimitri's
Dimitri, come back, man. Don't be like that.
Yeah, but I'm gonna do a video.
Alright, Dimitri, I gotta help you. Come here. Yeah, I have to help you with your homework. Give me that. Alright, see this is complement. You have to find the complement. So what you do is it's 1 minus the fraction that it's given. You understand?
Alright, we'll leave it down.
And so you type in the calculator.
That's not what it equals though. 8 over 8 minus...
8 over 8? What's 8 over 8 where?
You already simplified. That's kind of weird.
Alright, let's go.
Excuse me, you're criticizing my... I'm trying to get an A here.
Steps, and you sort of skip...
Trying to get an A, my goodness.
3 steps in the process. You skip the fact...
Right.
Here you go, beating me again.
So back, I put it on the calculator. This is how you're supposed to type it in. See? Like that. Then you press enter. That's 0.25. Then you go to math. And then you go to fraction, enter, and that's your answer, 1 over 4. You got it?
Uh-huh.
So how'd your AP exams go?
Pretty well. A little difficult, but I did my best.
Yeah, that's good. What else? All right, go. All right, cool.